Today...
You want to drink another blue drink?
Yep.
Watch this video.
You've almost been to the point of drinking where you're ready to drink. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Ian, Dan, and Derek are going to make for you a drink. Ian's going to make the drink. Hey, guess what? I'm going to have a new camera soon, so the next time we film...
Oh, is it going to be super awesome?
It's super awesome. It's going to put like $2,000 worth of super awesome.
Super awesome.
You drunk?
Oh, you must be drunk.
Super awesome.
Today
I'm just saving the commentary time.
he's just, yeah. There we go to say it. We're all wasted.
Super
This is the Aquadisiac. Recipe calls for 2 ounces of Gold Barbados Rum, a half ounce of Orgeat Syrup, half ounce of Blue Curacao, 1 ounce of lemon juice. We're going to be using Mount Gay Eclipse out of respect for my friend Dan here. Everybody always calls him gay. Actually, I say that like they don't also call me gay with them. You can't, if you're just gay by yourself on a show, they're like, how would you know? But when we're both here, it becomes obvious. He's like, hey! And then the more we drink, the more the...
But if it's a threesome, is it gay still, or just personal?
No,
I think so. I think it stays that way.
Sure.
Man.
the plus in the LGBTQY.
Plus
gay.
one extra
Or
person.
plus.
Yeah.
Eventually, it's just gonna be.
And there's
whole
nothing
outfit.
wrong with
Everyone's
that.
included, and
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, it's all
like
inclusive.
a resort.
We take all of the bodies. Vaginas, penises, whatever you got. Got both? Fine. Extra fun.
Not afraid.
So shake with ice cubes, dump into old-fashioned glass. This is made by Beach Bum Berry again, circa 2009. Because this is the Beach Bum Berry Remix. This is actually a newer revised edition. It actually says revised in the back. There's a couple extra recipes. And a couple of the new recipes that he added in here are the ones we've done. Like this, I think. I don't know. See, I put new.
Oh, see?
So he republished it and added some shit. So if you own the book before, you got to get it again.
Well, that's the whole...
That's,
Yeah,
that's the goal.
that's the kicker,
That's
right?
how he makes his money. And I want to make 5 cents. So click the affiliate link in the description below.
I like the color.
Pick it
You
up.
don't like the color?
I do like it.
So he has a section in here all about blue drinks and how people hate blue drinks, but yet they are still the highly ordered drink.
It is weird. I'm telling you, we got a drink.
Motherfucker, right? It's people like blue drinks, but they don't like to like blue drinks because they think they're going to be bad tasting.
It's like you and Bacardi.
Well, yeah.
I like Bacardi.
But you
I
don't
think
like
that-
to like Bacardi.
Right.
Yeah, but I don't want to. Sip and Safari is another book. You should pick that up if you like the zombie. There's more zombies in there. Smuggler's Cove. Another book, good book. Pick that one up if you want to make some tiki drinks out of the Smuggler's Cove.
What is in
Bar.
this thing?
Is it missing?
Orgeat, Blue Curacao.
But why is it all like... Is that from the lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's good. It makes a weird combination with the... Whoa, it's
Well,
like
that's the
steam.
tinge flaking off.
No, I think it's more like it looks like a bacteria floating on top.
Tastes like lemon.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Can't taste any rum.
That's true.
Can you taste rum?
Oh, it tastes lemon. Did you put rum in here?
It just tastes like lemon. Did you put rum in it?
The more we drink, the more the...
But if it's a threesome, is it gay still? Or...
I think so.
Okay.
I think it's...
No, I didn't put any rum in it. What am I doing? I don't know. Once I put rum, I put 2 ounces of rum in there
Are you sure?
He's like, are you doubting
It was
me?
full and
Of course I put
closed.
rum in there.
when I started.
Oh, that's true. I just bought it last week. So you would have had to use some of the rum because I haven't opened it.
Oh, there's not a lot of
It hides it well.
blue.
But it's there.
I know.
I didn't dump it down my gullet.
He's like, one for you, two for me.
It's sour.
That's how a grape bar.
It's like lemon. It's like
It's like lemonade. It tastes like lemonade, but like a sour lemonade.
The
It's
lemonade
blue.
is going to put you on your ass.
It tastes like blue lemonade.
Yeah, it will.
Maybe you need to put more orgeat on it.
Then it's just gonna taste more like Orgeat. Like I don't really know. That must be what he's intending it to taste like. I don't know. It's weird.
It tastes
is
like
blue,
lemonade.
but it tastes like lemonade. It's a little more sour, like a fresh lemonade without a lot of sugar.
It's funny, even the Orgeat doesn't come through.
No, because it's only half ounce. What are you gonna do with a half ounce of Orgeat? Like that's
How much lemon?
Ounce.
yeah. It's like a 2-1-1. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a 2-1-1.
it's a 2-1.
The problem is that the one is for the sugar is half Orgeat and half Blue Curacao, and Blue Curacao is in that. You
Sweet.
think it's that sweet? Actually, it's the bowls one. It's not
It's
like
pretty sweet.
it's kind of like sugar crystals. Smells like orange. Oh, $6.99. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, you're right. That's pretty sweet.
That's my job, by the way.
Oh yeah.
You don't-
I took your job because you were getting too drunk.
Damn it.
Dude, I don't understand how come it's got such a lemon forward flavor with those other ingredients in there. I'm a huge fan of this, which is why I purchased it with my own money. I mean, I buy a lot of stuff, but like when I go, if somebody was to tell me, this is a good game, we got time, he's drinking his lemonade. If somebody was to ask you what rum you would have to take if you can only have one rum, I don't know, that fucking desert island scenario. What rum are you gonna take?
I like Maison, actually.
Yeah, Maison's good.
Oh, that's
or I'm
nice.
taking the
Havana.
Peter rum there. No, the
Oh, Penny Blue?
Plantation?
plantation.
yeah.
Penny Blue too is good.
The Penny Blue's good.
So I get one, Jen.
My one is a lot.
Your one is all?
No, but I'd take plantation probably.
And then
I would do Maison.
Maison XO,
Maison's
Jamaican,
good.
baby.
He sell a lot of bottles of
what
that,
are you
and
going to
I
do with the rum
don't.
on the island, I guess? Do you have stuff to mix it with?
Yeah.
And everything?
Well, that has to complete the scenario.
No, you're just taking. You're by
Painkillers
yourself.
all around.
Then I'd say, like, what one floats best for a message?
No, you float your message after you drink the rum, Ian.
Right. So,
Well, obviously, otherwise you're gonna have a message full
so
of.
then for survival reasons, it would be the lowest proof rum, so I didn't dehydrate myself and die before my message.
You are totally not.
You're on an island.
Am I not getting the point of the exercise?
You know, sometimes when I feel like I said something that could lead to some fun, you going like fucking science it up with weird fucking shit. Well, swearing right there just to say that, but what I'm basically saying
Are
is
you
this
sure
is
you
worth
put rum in
buying.
this?
That's all.
I like Maison. I'll take that.
Maison.
Maison's good.
I have no problem with
So you answered
Maison.
the question, I just extended.
Penny Blue's good.
That's all.
You keep.
You just
drinking.
wanted to formulate the context. It's okay.
The cool thing is when you pull it away from your mouth, you get
Yeah, the steam.
yeah.
What's the deal with that?
the ice.
Breathing on
Yeah,
it.
I can see it.
Why? Why is this the only drink that does that?
You made it so cold.
It's because crushed ice and all that.
Maybe a crushed ice thing. Maybe no, it's not crushed. It's just cubed.
I don't know. Fucking that drink makes it glow. I don't know what's
Because it's blue.
Maybe yes, because it's the blue.
Blue is special.
I like to thank our executive
It's
producer
a buy.
Michael. Michael is he subscribes to our Patreon account. It's patreon.com/CMC. Our Patreon account numbers continue to fall because I don't advertise it enough. So if you have any desire to send us money and you're not going to click the join button, Patreon might be a good idea for me if you use it. If that makes sense. Also, I got a
Could do
coupon
both.
code 30 off until September 30th. Oh, 30 off September 30th, 2021.
Weird.
If
Tell us how
you
you plan that.
it would be nice, except for I
You gotta get your
extended-
bitters. You gotta get everything.
So Scrappy's Bitters, 30% off. Do the math. It's $20 minus 30%, whatever. that comes out.
$14.
Yeah.
There you
Boom.
BG Reynolds Full Airnum, so that you can get yourself some tiki stuff. All the Royal Road syrups we have. So Demerara syrups, raspberry syrups, clove syrups,
You need all that.
wild hibiscus flowers, the blurb, the butterfly
Hibiscus
pea
flowers.
stuff that you makes you drink. You
Just
put them in
color,
there.
yeah.
Oh.
Mm.
Look, so in a drink like this, if you added it, it would start out blue, which would make sense. Then when you add the lemon, it would turn purple. Right.
See?
So it's kind of cool. It's a party trick. Dirty Martini Olive Brine, just because I want to get rid of them. Free Fee Whiskey Barrel Aged Bitters. Fee.
Big.
It's 30% off fee.
What is 30% off fee? I don't know.
That
Why?
depends what fee is.
Yeah. Whiskey Barrel Aged is more.
That was a stretch.
Sometimes you.
0 times 0 is always
Sometimes
zero.
yes, sometimes no.
That was like a Ruby joke.
Yeah. Knock, knock.
We have
What's
wide
a lot of
eyes.
people without hands
No,
you
we
can't
don't.
knock? I can't remember. You told me the joke last time, remember? Something about knocking without arms. Something like
I
that.
did. I did.
Was it you? Something about a stick man with no arms? Knock, knock.
so.
Is that a Ruby
knock.
joke?
She likes dad jokes.
Oh, okay. Oh, good thing.
I don't know if I
She
told
did
that.
along with Ian.
Yeah, she loves dad jokes. They
Yeah.
crack her.
Oh, really?
Like really bad ones, and then she tries to pick them up. They're really bad.
Sidebar vids, all tiki stuff, probably. Bartender starter kit at AwesomeDrinks.com.
Chuck a lot of them.
We're teaching you how to drink.